You ever order a sample and it shows up looking nothing like what you expected?
Uh-oh.
Unfortunately, none of the POD gurus are talking about this. How product quality matters just as much, if not more, than your design. I used to worry about pricing myself out until I discovered Gelato's value line. And here's the kicker: the prices, your production cost, actually low, affordable, and the quality is surprisingly really good. Today, I'm going to be reviewing and showing you up close and personal four of my favorite products that I've received from Gelato this past year. Number one is my hanging canvas. Now, this one I specifically designed to be like a Christmas advent calendar that has been personalized with a family's name on the bottom. With Personalization Studio, the customer personalizes their name, or that space on the bottom gets left blank, or there's only been a date. But this has been one of my best selling products, and I actually launched it last October. Canvases, I feel like, sell best because they're giftable and they're emotional. They almost become like a keepsake for your customers. So maybe instead of like an advent calendar like this, you could do like a pet memorial hanging poster, or maybe like a baby announcement or like birth info hanging poster, or even for newlywed couples. You want to think of an evergreen niche like babies, weddings, pets, family, memorials, and then tie it into something that is giftable. And with hanging canvases, that becomes your best selling product because it can tie into an evergreen niche. You can personalize it and then market it as a giftable product. Gelato's hanging canvas is lightweight. The two pieces of wood on the top and the bottom connect together with magnets that are embedded within the wood. It's a really high quality wood. It's a well made design for the price point, and the quality of paper for the poster is actually really well made. It also comes in different sizes, and the printing on the textured canvas is genuinely very crisp and sharp. A design tip for you, Rebel, would be to stick with something minimal or stick with a specific design aesthetic. For this specific design that I created, that again is one of my best sellers, I wanted to go with something like Pink Miss, but tying a few other colors and almost making it like vintage, classic, like those porcelain plates that you might see in your grandma's house. I wanted that same vibe and aesthetic translated onto my hanging poster design. But if you want to do something more minimal or maybe something truly customized, you can create your entire design all within Gelato using their personalization studio, where when you add in personalization fields like photos or text boxes, your customer is then the one that is going to be customizing those for you. You kind of just want to put in like demo pieces, demo pictures, sample text, so they can get an idea of what their design is going to look like when they order their own product. Number two, posters, specifically just plain print posters. And then for me, I created this poster with the educational teachers, homeschool room, homeschool decor, theme, aesthetic niche in mind. Posters are your low entry points to selling wall art. And they come in a variety of different sizes as well as print finishes, whether that be glossy, semi gloss, matte, like museum quality print. There's a bunch of different like print paper options that you can get with those poster prints on Gelato. As far as trends go, you want to think either something that's trendy, something that can be personalized, or something that ties in again with a niche. Evergreen, is the way to go. They might seem saturated, but they're saturated for a reason. It's because people are always searching for them. That's why they're evergreen. They're always being searched for, always being bought for, and they're never going to go out of style. You can price these at a more affordable price point, and then you can even take the same designs and add them to framed wall art and then charge more and then hopefully make an upsell to where people will see, oh, I love this print, but I wish it came with a frame. Look, this listing, this is the print I love, but it's framed. Add to cart, buy, 5-star review, repeat customer. If you're not sure where to start, get some inspiration. My favorite place to go is Hobby Lobby. I also love the look of around TJ Maxx, Target, Walmart. Girl, there's a lot of cute stuff at Walmart now. Seriously, go out, explore, go online, go on Pinterest, go on TikTok, go on, there's different websites that you could go on for graphic inspiration. Get some ideas. Do not copy anything, but get some ideas. My go-to place for creating like really cool graphic designs is Kittl. Kittl has an extensive library of like super amazing templates that you can start out with, and their AI tools, amazing. I don't care about what you say about AI. Kittl's AI tool is like a saving grace when it comes to creating a bulk amount of print on demand products. You can have your own opinions about AI, but when it comes to my business, I definitely utilize some AI. Next, embroidered sweatshirts. I'm literally speechless at how good the quality is when it comes to embroidered products from Gelato. My hat that I wear literally all the time is just like, look, I have it right here because I wear it almost every day. It's dirty and I need to clean it. But the embroidery on this, it's amazing. Seriously. For the price, for the cost. This was actually a sample I got when I first opened my account with Gelato. When you open your first account, you'll get 50% off your first sample order. So this hat, this embroidered snapback trucker hat, guess how much I paid? It was like, I think, was it $14, $7? It was less than 20 bucks. A deal. The embroidery is amazing. Also, these sweatshirts, look at the embroidery detail on these sweatshirts. Another Rebel Mama one because I gotta be a weirdo and rep my little business when I go out in public. And then this one, I think it's hilarious. I think it's funny. If you don't like it, that's a you problem. But the embroidery on here is what I want you to look at. It is crisp. It is high quality. The back doesn't feel gross. It's literally one of the most high quality embroidered products that I've ever bought a sample of. And lastly, and literally my favorite product to not only sell, because this is another one of my best sellers, but create, are Gelato's square hardcover photo books. Yes, a photo book. Their photo books can have up to 200 inside pages. Seriously, they are probably one of the highest personalizable product, and they are very low cost to produce as long as the inside pages don't go super high. But even still, if you are having a customer that's like, hey, I got this wedding and I just got married. Those are expensive to begin with. I want my wedding album to be like all of the pictures, every single one. You're probably going to use all 200 of those pages. And if not, you can do text in some, you can do their vows, you can do the wedding party, the bachelorette party, the bachelor party, the honeymoon. You can essentially make like a giant wedding album, when we got married photo book for your customers, and then charge accordingly. This is a memory piece, it's a keepsake item. So something big like a wedding is usually only happening once, but you want to make sure you're charging for not only your time, but for the quality and a premium product you're charging a premium price for. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Target and buy a photo album for even $50 and it's not going to be personalized, you know? So if you're creating a personalized bespoke photo book, hardcover, high gloss pages, stitched, super high quality, you want to charge according for it. So, if you are new to print on demand and you want to expand your product range without huge overhead, start here. Start with an evergreen niche. Start with a product that you can get a sample of. Again, when you start a new account, you'll get 50% off your first sample order. And that's literally up for the first 7 products that you add to that order. And then you want to test them out. I would not suggest creating your store, launching it before you get samples. You want to make sure that you're happy with it, that if your customers received it exactly how it came, the packaging, the product, you want to make sure that they're receiving something good, something that's going to get you a 5-star review and repeat customers. With Gelato, you have that. There's nothing to worry about. If you want to try it out, I have it linked for you down below in the description. Gelato has been my saving grace when it comes to creating personalized and high quality products that I know my customers are going to love, and it's going to give me that 5-star review. I want the same for you. So sign up for Gelato and start print on demand today. I can't wait to see what you create, Rebel. See you later.